Hi everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of the Sony Ult Field 1. A compact yet powerful Bluetooth speaker designed for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Let's start with the design. The Ult Field 1 boasts a compact form factor, measuring just 8.1 by 3.1 by 3.0 inches and weighing only 1.43 pounds. It's available in several colors including black, forest gray, off-white, and orange. The speaker is IP67 rated, making it waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and rustproof, ideal for outdoor adventures. Moving on to sound quality, the Ult Field 1 impresses with its deep bass and clear audio output. It features a front-facing woofer, tweeter, and dual passive radiators, optimized to deliver punchy lows and crisp highs. The Ult button enhances bass performance, offering a significant boost for genres like hip-hop and electronic music. Battery life is rated at up to 12 hours, depending on usage and volume levels. With Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, pairing is seamless and reliable. It also supports a 3-band EQ for customizable sound settings beyond the Ult bass enhancement. In terms of usability, the Ult Field 1 is incredibly versatile. It can be positioned vertically or horizontally, and features a multi-way strap for easy attachment to bags or hooks. The compact size and durable build make it perfect for travel and outdoor use. Comparing it with alternatives like the JBL Go 3 and Tribit Stormbox Flow, the Ult Field 1 stands out with its superior build and sound quality, albeit at a higher price point. Wrapping up, the Sony Ult Field 1 is a standout choice for anyone seeking a portable Bluetooth speaker that doesn't compromise on sound performance or durability. Whether you're at the beach, camping, or just hanging out at home, its robust features and compact size make it a worthy investment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.